Yeah, welcome back to AWS DevOps Lokesh Tech YouTube channel. Yeah, currently Docker series is going on in DevOps. So last class we have seen about Docker network overlay, IP VLAN, okay, Mac VLAN, and host bridge and null. We have seen all these networks how to create and also what are the default networks and all. So now today we are going to enter into this Docker Compose. Let's get started. Kindly share and subscribe my channel for best content. I'm going to do next to series is on Kubernetes and after Terraform. So kindly stay tuned with me. So let's get into topic. Let me share my screen. Yeah, yeah. Today our topic is Docker Compose. So before this, I just would like to tell you this is actually orchestration tool. So what are the tools we have orchestration? Docker Compose, Docker Swarm, and Kubernetes. Kubernetes highly advanced tool. So to maintain the containers, okay, multiple containers, there is orchestration tools. This is also Docker Compose is also one of orchestration tool. So let's see what exactly the compose, what is the use of this. Okay, so basically normal definition, what is if for suppose if you ask me what is definition for the Docker Compose. Docker Compose is a tool, okay, for defining and running multiple containers on Docker application. Okay, for suppose we have seen till today last class also we have seen only one or two like single run commands, right? So by using Docker Compose we can run the multiple, okay, multiple services at a time. So one second. Okay, so yeah, right, yeah. So Docker Compose is a tool, so which is used for maintain or run the multiple containers on Docker applications. Okay, so like this, one, two, three, four, something like this. If you have a multiple tens, 20s, okay, 20 containers, so it will we can use Docker Compose. In earlier we have seen only one single line command in one single go with we have written everything in one single line command, so only one container we have used. But if I have a multiple containers, like maybe 10 containers if I have, how I have to manage, okay, with a single line command? It's not possible. So it is difficult. Okay, it is possible if we can, but it will take a lot of time. So whatever the multiple containers are there, these containers, if you have a multiple containers, these containers can be managed by Docker Compose. So how we have to manage Docker Compose? What are the um, you know uses? Okay, so by using YML or YAML. Okay, have you heard about this, guys? Hmm? You know what is YML?
File type.
Hmm. So what we will write in this?
Like
What is
Dona
YAML?
sir.
So this is extension. YML is actually YAML. Okay, we can also call it as YAML. So this, by using this YAML file, so we can write the scripting. Okay, we can write the script. In Ansible also will depend on completely on YAML itself. Okay, and Kubernetes also, okay, will completely depend on this. Complete Kubernetes on depend on YAML files. Okay, Docker Compose, Kubernetes, next you know uh, Ansible. So these tools, so we will depend on indentation is very strictly we have to follow the indentation in YAML file. This is very most important. Okay, you can create and start all the service from your from configuration in this. Okay, so you can like multi-container in a single service. One second. Okay, multi containers in single service one go. Okay, so relationship between multiple containers, okay, like this. Okay, for example, I have 1 2 3 4 5 6, so something like this containers are there, so I need to connect. Okay, if there is any relationship, if I want to connect all together, so I can use Docker Compose. Okay, so like this. And Docker Compose is like divided into two parts. One is actually YAML, second one is CLI, command line. So right, command we have seen, right? No, we have not yet seen, but we are going to see. Means by using CLI, by using console with one command, how we have to run the compose, Docker Compose, and also by using YAML file. By using YAML file, how we have to run the Docker Compose. Okay, so these two types I will show you. First I will show single line command, by using one single line command how to run the Docker Compose. Then after we'll go for YAML files, right? So like Docker Compose have three steps process. Define your application environment with a Docker file, so it can be reproduced by anywhere. Okay, make your app into Docker compose.yml file. This, okay, YML or YAML, don't confuse, both you can we can use. YML also we can use dot extension. Okay, so make your Docker compose in so this YML file, and they can run together and it will be isolate. Okay, so Docker compose we need to up. Okay, if you want you can up, if you want you can down, so by using this. Okay, so it is easy to maintain actually. So Docker compose, like what are the what are the uses, like what is the Docker compose, you may got doubt, like what is the problem it solves, what are the common use cases. Okay, what are the hands-on demos and limitations of Docker compose, we are going to see all these things. Okay, so what are the prerequisites you need for the Docker compose? First, basic of Docker is important for the Docker compose. And next, understanding the Docker. So complete structure you need to understand the Docker, and Docker should be installed in your system. Okay, so Docker compose, you no need to install any Docker compose, because whenever you set up Docker at the time, okay, it will automatically install Docker compose as well, right? So yeah, so for suppose, for suppose so I have different applications in my uh, like in my project. Okay, for suppose maybe One second, why it is not working? One second. This is the matter. Okay, understood. Okay, guys, if you get any doubt, you can stop me. No problem at all. Okay, I don't have any issues. Right? So, yeah. So I have a project. In this project, so I have different applications. Okay, like so I'm just using different shapes to understand. Okay, so like any other different applications. Okay, for suppose once again, this is very useful, guys, very important also. Okay, so for suppose this is front end application. Okay, this is front end application, this is back end application. So how long I have to face this issue? I don't know. Okay, for suppose this is also for DB in somewhere. Okay, this is also DB for suppose. Okay, this is also DB in the sense, DB in the sense, why I shown difference in the sense, maybe if it is different MySQL DB or it is MongoDB for suppose like this. Okay, so this is for suppose APIs. API means application programming interface. Okay, these are all authentications, keys like security keys, something like this. This is key. Okay, so for suppose if you have a multiple applications like this in your project, maybe if it is tens or twenties, okay, or else hundreds. So if you maintain, okay, if you want to keep all these applications in one container, okay, or in different containers, and if you want to run all these together, is a big issue. Okay, it is a big headache. Yes, we can do, but it will take a time. And also if something goes wrong, for troubleshooting it will take hours, not hours, it's days. Okay, it will take too much time. Okay, so you may have microservice applications. Okay, these are all microservice. What is monopoly, guys? So you have to learn these terminologies here itself. Okay, so what is the difference between monopoly and micro? Mono and micro, the service, a single service is, if you have a single service, that is called as mono. If different applications are different, for every small application, for every service, sorry, for every service. Okay, for every service you have a one container for suppose. Okay, you are running separate. Okay, you are maintaining separate architecture for every small service also. You are maintaining different and you are keeping different services, and you are running it in one particular environment, that is called as micro. You made your project into different pieces. Okay, and you made your project. Okay, you made your project in one series. Okay, so for example, in monopoly, what will happen is, if something happened in testing, okay, what will happen? Again, whatever it is defected, whatever it is issue, again they have to go back and they have to issue the solve the issue. Until then production will be stopped, until then development will be stopped, or until then teams will be no, will not be run. Okay, so it is complete entire project in one. Okay, complete entire project is in one. Okay, one by one process. Okay, so if something goes wrong backside, okay, for example testing issue are there, or else development have some issue, or else QA have some issue. Okay, if you, we need to wait until this issue got resolved. Okay, but here in microservices, not like that. for example, if there is an issue with one service, okay, for one application, so it doesn't affect other applications, right? It doesn't affect any other applications. We can resolve this parallelly and it will move on like this. Okay, microservices now complete. All the companies are maintaining microservices now, you know. So whenever when you are creating a containerless applications, okay, so all of these different application components must be deployed and run together. So which depends on together each other, which depend on each other. For suppose this is, so maybe this database is connected with the backend. I'm sure 100% whatever database will be there, it is connected with the backend, right? So backend is connected with the front end, right? Okay, whatever the tables are there, database tables, that will be that will be displayed in front end user UI, right? For suppose for authentications, these two connected, what is this authentication keys? Okay, so the security keys, everything is is there here in this authentication. Okay, and that all are storing in this database. So these are all interconnected each other, right? Am I right? So whenever you are creating containerless applications, okay, so all of these, whatever the services, whatever the applications are there, okay, these components must be deployed and run together, which dependent each other. Okay, so like these are all interdependent. Okay, for suppose this is a one project, if it is completely dependent each other. Okay, so then for suppose if you want to deploy somewhere else, okay, so you need to have you need to keep, this is for one container, this is for one container, this is for one container. If it is for one container, you want to keep running and services stop start and restart if there is an issue. So this is clumsy, right? Complete clumsy, right? So to clear all these things, to make it a clear picture, okay, Docker Compose is a tool for that. Docker Compose is a tool, allows application to define and run multiple services and applications that belong each other. Okay, these are all belonging to each other, right? Okay, that belong each other. So in the same environment, one environment, all are in one environment, in isolated, okay, all in isolated environment, different and separate environment. Okay, this is different project and some other project is different. So these two different projects, not any interconnection, right? So need to maintain different projects, different isolated environment we can do, right? So why these Docker Compose? Okay, if you want to deploy multiple Docker containers, if you want to deploy multiple Docker containers, okay, different multiple Docker containers, where each container may have different configurations. Okay, for every container has different configurations, different. Maybe this application is working on so and so 3.0 version, this is working on 2.0, this is working on so and so. Okay, different configuration options, and you can use Docker Compose. Okay, you can clearly mention, for suppose, to get an idea for you, I'll show you. Okay, see this, you can mention versions like this. For example, it is one version, this is all one service. If you have another service, yes, you can write another service code here, and if it has it consisting a new version or old version or any version, you can able to specify clearly, and you can maintain separate service. Okay, so you can write all the different containers, different services in one file, that is called as .yam file. Okay, so yeah, where is that? So yeah, to manage this all these containers more easily, all these things if you want to manage very easily, this is a like in general definition, yes, if you manage or easily, okay, containers easily, if you want to deploy multiple docker containers, okay, all the containers may have different configurations or different services, okay. If you want to run multiple in the sense one service, for example database, also you can keep front end, back end, security keys, all services you can keep in one YAML file. After writing all ML file, if everything get good, everything is good, then you can run with a single command. Okay. So for example, you don't have a Docker Compose. Okay. Without Docker Compose, how? Okay. Without Docker Compose, we have, so already I told you, right? Two ways.
CLI
One
and
is,
damage.
yeah, one is CLI. Second one is dot Docker Compose dot YML. Right. So shall we start this? Let's see in one container. So, sorry, with one single command. Okay. So it is completely declarative part. I don't know where it is going on. It's okay. So this whatever Docker composes, this Docker composes, we need to write in declarative way. Okay. So that's what. So let us try. I'll try to go inside AWS. Okay, where is that? So you understood, guys? You simply understood, right? So what is the purpose of Docker Compose?
Yes, sir.
Oh, okay. So okay, that's fine. So Docker images. Yes, it's okay. That's fine. So now I'll show you here. See this? Can you see here? So this is a command. This is a command. Okay. See this? Yeah. So Docker run in detached mode, right? Docker run command. What is this? This is port. Okay, these two ports. What are all these two ports? One port is container port. Okay, this is container port. This is host port. Host port. What is this port number? 27017. This is for MongoDB. This is for MongoDB port. You understood? Right? So these are all environment
Yes, sir.
files. These two. E means environment. P means port. Okay. So like this is a sample. So you have a lot of files will be there. Okay. Sorry. A lot of environment files are a lot of, you can be, you can see in real time. Okay. So there are security keys, secret keys, MongoDB link. Okay. For connection from backend to front end, MongoDB will generate whenever you set up the local machine. So MongoDB, whenever you install, you will get one URL. That URL also you need to mention in the environment files. So these are all environment. Whatever it is, MongoDB initiated DB root username, whatever username is there, these are all comes under environment. So environment variables. Okay. env. So this is also secret password. Okay. This is network, guys. This is network. I'm going to create network for this. Okay, this is network and this is my container name. Okay, and this is, what is this? Please, what is this? This is image. Okay, this is image which I have taken from Docker Hub. Okay, so let's see. Let's move on. Okay, you'll get more interest, guys. Nice, it will be nice. It will be really nice. So let me go to. It's logged out. One second. Yeah, yes, it is there. See this? You know, guys, this is Docker Hub, right?
Yes, sir.
Right? So this is Mongo. If you mention Mongo, you will get this MongoDB application. You see this? See this? Here, what is MongoDB? So MongoDB, all details are there, right? Security related, whatever security I have mentioned, right? This one. Mongo initiate DB root username. I have given one username, right? So password, for password, MongoDB initiate DB, Mongo initiate DB password. I have given my password. So after giving that, so you have to mention particular port as well for expose. MongoDB server in image listen on standard MongoDB port is 27017. This is not created by me. Okay, I have taken reference from Docker Hub. Okay, so this port I have exposed, and so this is what he has given for declaration. We will talk about declaration later. First, let's see on the CLI, right? So let me uh, write a command. First of all, I need to set up. Okay, so let me try to check Docker. Is it not working? One second. Docker network ls. See this? How many?
4 networks.
Yeah, I don't want this. I will remove this. Okay, Docker remove. Anything running? Docker ps. No. Okay, one second. What is the command for Docker remove?
Docker RM network, I think so.
So Docker run. Sorry, rm I have hyphen. You are telling.
No, sir, RM network, location network, I think.
So yeah, we have to mention network as well, right? So one second. It is hanged. Yes. Docker rm network. In real time, we don't delete the networks like this, man. No. Once if you create, you don't delete. Location. I think Docker. I think here it is. I think so. Docker network. Yeah, it's working. Yeah, this is the command. Okay. All right. So Docker. Right. Oh, that's fine. Yeah, so we have these three networks. So what we will do is now, so we will create, okay, docker run -d backslash. So if I enter, it will execute. So I need to copy. I have to write somewhere and I need to copy. See this? So let me cross check once. Docker run -d. Okay, this is the port. Okay, Mongo. This has taken from GitHub. Okay, Mongo installed. This is the password, guys. I have set the password. This is network I am creating, which is the, what is the name? MongoDB underscore network. Okay, so this is the container name, MongoDB underscore container. What is this image? Image I have given from this image, right? This is the image. This image name I have mentioned. Let me try. Enter. Shall I enter? Oh shit. Docker run. Oh my god. One second. I'll try to use this. Mobile Extreme is not there with me, guys. That's why I'm facing little issue. This bash. Network MongoDB underscore network. So again I have to give backslash share. Alright. So yes, again I have to give the image. So invalid reference format. Okay, no problem. It is correct only, guys. I'm just taking help from ChatGPT for format. Okay. See this, guys?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, it is pulling image and container from Docker Hub. Okay. So we have given image. What is the image? Mongo image. Okay. What is the container? MongoDB container. Okay. These two. What is the error? Error response from daemon network not found. Okay. We need to create the network now. So guys, actually this is the issue. We don't have a network. Let's create network. Docker network create MongoDB underscore. What is that? What I have given?
Network, sir.
Network.
Sir, you have given DB. Only DB, sir. You have given.
Mongo MongoDB, right?
Yes, sir.
This is correct, right? Docker
Yes, sir.
network create MongoDB network. This is a network name. Let me try to hit. Yes. Can I check Docker network ls? See this? This is the new one
Yes,
which I
sir.
have created just a second ago. Alright. Let me try to execute the previous command. What is the command? This one? Okay, let me try this. No, it doesn't work. The same format you have to follow. So that reason console is important. I'm sure console is very important, guys. What is the issue? The conflict. The container name so and so already in use by container so and so. You have to remove or rename. Oh, that's fine. I understood. Okay, Docker images. What is the image? Mongo. Yeah, it is there. Okay.
Container also created, sir. We should delete container.
Yeah. Docker container also is there. Docker DB container. Docker
Yes,
ps
sir.
hyphen a. Along with that, I have created container as well. So what is that container name?
First only, sir. MongoDB container. First one, it's
Where it is?
first one.
Yeah, this one. So I have created. So one second,
Yes,
guys.
sir.
I need to do all together at once. So let me delete this.
Yes, sir.
Where is that? This one. Okay. All right. It's not images. All right. It's got deleted, right? Docker ps hyphen a. Yeah, nothing is there. Let me try to use the command control paste enter. It's pulling, right? So which means what I'm trying to say is I have a two applications. One is MongoDB application. Another one is Mongo Express. Okay, this is another application. See this? So I want to run these two applications. One is backend, one is frontend. Okay. So I want to use two, which means one above one in the sense it's multiple, right? So if I want to run the multiple containers, so how? By using CLI. That's what we are doing now. You understood? Docker network ls. See this? Yeah, it is there. Okay. And now sorry, Docker images. Yeah, it is there. And Docker ps hyphen is for all the containers. That's fine. Now it got executed, and also it pulled all the image and container Mongo image and container MongoDB container. It got pulled from Docker Hub. Okay, so let's check Docker PS whether it is running or not. I have given detached mode. See this, guys? Is it running? Where it is running? It is
Yes, sir.
exposed 27017. It should run on browser, otherwise it's not working. You understood? Let me try to
Yes, sir.
use yeah, first it is running, that's fine. So now this is one container, this is one application. Okay, this is one application, one container is running on the Mongo application. You understood, guys? Mongo is an image. Okay, Mongo is image. On top of this image one container is running. What is a container? This is the container. What is the container name? MongoDB container. You see here all together, you can see all together. Mongo is the image which I have pulled from Docker Hub. At the same time, I have created container which is MongoDB underscore container. So currently this application, entire application is running. Okay, so it's a container ID. You understood? Again, I have other application. Okay, other Mongo Express backend. This is for, suppose if you consider, this is front end application. You understood? So now I want to establish backend application Mongo Express. Okay, let me go here. Mongo Express. Can you see here, guys? So this is Mongo Express. This is for backend. If you can consider like this, it is a backend for suppose. Okay, so let me try to so it does have different variables. So let me try to, basically Mongo Express is, sorry, I just reverse, vice versa. You just consider vice versa. This is actually backend. Okay, this is actually backend. Whatever I'm trying to go, whatever I'm trying to install, I mean pull the image, this is actually for UI, user graphical user interface, for UI user interface. Okay, this is for backend, that is for front end. Understood? So let me try to,
Yes, sir.
yeah, pull the image. Sorry, actually I apologize. So this is for backend, and whatever it is for now Mongo Express is for front end. So in order to use and connect with the MongoDB, we have to give environment variables, which means it has to connect each other, right? So something, whatever I've been telling you long time. So environment variables is for, it is a mediator, so which where we can store the keys, and environment variables are security keys, authentications, and URLs. So that will connect backend and front end. This you have to mind. Okay, so let me go here. I have already written here. So it's for Mongo Express. So let me try to see this, guys. I need to explain here again. So in this you see here, it is in detached. The port has been changed because Mongo Express is running on 8081. Okay, and this is variables, environment variables changed. This is ME Mongo Express configuration MongoDB admin username is admin. So and so I have kept like this. So again, another environment variable Mongo Express configure MongoDB admin password I kept so and so. Okay, and here Mongo Express, what is it? This is, what is it, guys? I need to connect,
Image
right?
name, sir.
I need to connect
Yes, sir.
container.
Internet network name.
Yeah, this is network name. Yeah, this is network name, right? This is
Yeah, yes,
network
sir.
name. So this is actually I'm connecting container. Okay, from here to that Okay, let me check once again. Let me go back to here. 1 second. See this? This is image man. Okay, I have written wrong. I think so. So this is image. So they have they have mentioned actually Mongo, but what I have mentioned earlier, Mongo container. I think this one container name. Yeah, right. Container name. So both are I'm mentioning the same container. Okay. Okay. Let me try to use this. And here network I'm mentioning same network, right? Two applications should be work on same network. Otherwise it won't works. Okay. So next name MongoDB Express container. So this is new container. New container is creating. This is old one. Okay. Configuration for configuration. I'm just mapping with the old container. Okay, so this is image Mongo Express. This is image. Let me try to copy. No, copy and paste here. Control L. Paste. Is it not running? Hmm. Paste. 1 second. Copy. Oh, it came out. 1 second. What is that? Yeah. Paste. All right. So what I will do is I will copy again and I will paste here. Okay, let me cross check. These backslashes are important. So yeah, this is docker run ifun detach. Okay, the detached mode. This is new port. This is for one is for host and another one is for container. And this is configuration for Mongo Express password, Mongo Express container, which is connected with the old container. So next network, this is network, whatever currently we are in MongoDB underscore network. This is the network name. Okay, it's the same network we need to connect because these two applications should be run in one network. So within one class. So name MongoDB Express container. This is new container for Express. Understood? So this Mongo Express is for image. Okay, this image will pull from Docker Hub. So let me try. Enter. What is the issue? Again, Mongo Express Docker invalid format. Again, no problem at all. I will try to use this. What is this? Yeah, maybe some indentation issue, guys. That's it, nothing else. Okay. Oh, 1 second, 1 second. It is added extra. It should not. So I asked only for correction. So it is also added this port. Okay. So what should I do is,
Sir, you have not given the codes, complete code.
hmm, no, it will work. You mean is it updated?
No, sir.
Copy. I'll try to edit here itself, or else I will do here. Okay. copy. So no need to mention that already we have given, right? So let me enter this. Yeah, it's working. So it is pulling Mongo Express front end. Okay. Okay. So now, yes, let me check whether it should run two containers, guys. First one is Mongo related. First one and second one is Express, Mongo Express, Docker PS. Enter. See this? This is new one, right? No, this is new one, right? Mongo Express. This is image, Mongo Express image. On top of this Mongo Express image, this container is running, okay, with the so and so
Yes, sir.
port 8081 port.
Yes,
So
sir.
what I have to do is I have to access. So first of all, yeah, I need to access in the sense I have to go Docker Hub. Here is Docker Hub. Yeah. Here, come down. Guys, I did not created anything. I have used Docker Hub. That's it. See this? I did not created anything my own. So I'm just following Docker Hub. Okay. And I'll try to use my browser. See here. Paste. Enter. So I think we have to open the port in inbound rules.
Yes, sir.
Yes. Let me go inside AWS. It doesn't allow. So let me go and so yes, EC2. Yeah, it is very slow. Yeah, that's fine, not a big deal. Okay, and here security. Okay, so and I have to click on this security groups. Okay, and yeah, edit inbound rules. Yeah, it is all traffic is there, but I need to keep this. Yeah, so let me try to save again. I'll try. So if not else, if not works, again I'll open individual ports, right? Okay, I will open again. So where is that? Yes, add rule. What is that? Mongo. 1 second. HTTP. Okay, fine. I have given all traffic. Why it should work, right? Hmm. Why it is not enabled? I have to change here. HTTP or SSH. No, custom. Yeah. Anyways, what is that first one? 8081, right? 81. Next one. What is the port number? 27017. I think so. Yeah. Let me try to save. Okay. I'll go here. One second. It is a bit slow. Why it is not working? Okay. 1 second. So shall we delete again this? So 1 second. Controls L. Why refuse to connect 8081 port I have given? So give me 1 second. At least this should run, right? Let me try this. No need all these things. So why it is refusing? The site can't be reached. Okay, proxy and firewall. Okay. Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll delete Express container and I will do it again. Let me try this time. Any ideas, guys?
Sir, should we restart the Docker? Our Docker is stopped or active?
What I have to restart
Docker,
that?
Docker services, sir. Is it active or not? Should we check it?
Okay. Yeah, let me in first. Okay. Docker PS. Yeah, you're right. See this? Container is not running,
Yes, sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
Yeah, exactly. Why
Yep.
it is not running? Why it is not running? Shall we take this as a reference? Whatever we got, just give me a second. ChatGPT. Where is that? This one. Shall we try this as it is? I'll try as it is. Let's give it a try. Paste. What is this?
The
Okay.
container name is already existing,
Docker.
sir.
Yeah. Docker ps-a. Okay. Yeah. This is Mongo Express, not attached with the port. See this? Correct.
Yes,
That's
sir.
why port is not running.
Yes, sir.
So let me delete this
Yes, sir.
container. Docker. Okay, let me try to restart this service. Docker. Okay. Service. Docker. Yeah, it's working. Hey, see this? Nothing is running.
Yes, sir.
So yeah, Docker ps hyphen a. Okay. Docker exec hyphen it. Tell me what is that? Where is it?
MongoDB container, sir.
Where is that? It's very big one. Let me.
It's in two separate lines, sir.
Yeah, I'll do it once again. Yeah, now it is fine, right?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Docker exec hyphen it. So first we will run 20 that one. Where is it?
Yes, sir. Second one, sir. MongoDB container. Yes, sir.
Okay. Why it is not showing port?
It's not running, no, sir. So it's not showing port, I think.
But still, we have attached a port, right? Anyways,
Yes, sir.
Docker exec hyphen it. This one. Copy and paste. Okay.
Bin bash.
Yeah. right? What is this? The error from daemon container is
We should
not
start.
running.
We should start. I
Yeah, yeah.
think so.
Docker start start copy paste enter and right. That's fine. Let's exit. No need to do inside anything.
Yes, sir.
Docker ps. Yeah, it's working.
Now it's
You
showing,
can
sir.
see the yeah, you
What?
can see
Yes, sir.
yeah, Docker start
Mongo
uh,
Express.
express. So copy. So one container only runs or two containers? So Docker started and Docker exec -it. So this one. One second. Docker run -it Mongo Express. Right.
Yes, sir.
Docker ps. Right. Both are running. Can I try again?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
It should work. Why it's not working? The application. Okay. Again, might be it is automatically start stopping. Docker ps. Right. It's working. That's fine. And why it's not running?
Sir, is that both linked, sir? Like,
Huh?
do we have to link manually? Like, we did not do any link, no, sir, between those two containers.
Yeah. No, actually, I followed the same document. One second. Mongo Express. Docker run hyphen network some network name hyphen e. This port 8081 to 81 Mongo Express. Shall we use this command? No, the same one we have given, right? This is we have given. So this is admin I have given. Port number 8081 I have given. Okay. One second. See this? Docker and hyphen it remove. Okay. Network something. Mongo Express. So Mongo Express I'll configure again. Okay. Docker stop copy paste enter Docker ps. It's gone. Docker remove.
Same ChatGPT actually it's showing to use link command, sir. Hyphen link something.
Okay. So actually I have used this, right? Can you see this? You are also getting same.
No, sir. Single line command is coming, sir, for linking Mongo Express to MongoDB container. I will just put it in the chat, sir.
So let me try this first.
Okay, okay, sir.
So after that, if not possible, then again we'll try that also. Okay.
Yes, sir.
So
I
it
will
got
put it in
selected.
the chat.
Yeah. chat. You mentioned in chat. Okay, what is this? Docker run something. Okay, 1 second. I will try to copy this. Okay, see this? It is getting some error.
Sir, container name we have to change, sir. Like MongoDB container.
Container changed. Okay, Mongo Express content. Okay, so this will create a container, right?
Yes, sir. New Express container it will create and it is showing to link, sir. The hyphen link command we have not used, I think. It is trying to link Mongo container and Mongo Express.
Yeah, okay, that's fine. Let me. So I need to give here Mongo container first. Mongo one, right? Mongo. Once again. You mean this is old one? I mean this is container one. This is Mongo related container. This is Mongo Express related container.
Yes, sir.
Okay, but anyways, try. We'll try. Mongo DB underscore container. Okay. Link Mongo container. Okay. So this will create one container, right? This will create one container actually. This name, whatever name it is there, this will create one container and it will link with the Mongo container, Mongo and Mongo Express, right?
Yes,
So,
sir.
but different name should be different. It will conflict
Yes,
with
sir.
that.
Name should be different. Yeah.
Yeah, I will keep one. Okay.
It will
Try.
create Express container, sir.
Yeah. So can I enter?
Sir, iPhone link.
What is this? Full access denied 18081 repository does not exist or may require Docker login. Okay, it is not in public.
Yes, sir.
It is not in public. Okay. So
Okay, okay, sir.
give me 1 second. I will try. Actually, it should work. I don't know why it is not working. What is 20? That one I'll try. 20. Forgot. 270, right?
27017.
7. It looks like you are trying to access MongoDB over HTTP and the motive driver port. Yeah, 8081. Can you try your side, H1? I'll keep in this.
Yes, sir.
Try this. See this, it's not running.
It's not running, sir.
Yeah. So why it is not running? Okay.
Sir, deleting Mongo Express and we can do from the beginning, sir.
Should I delete this?
Yes, sir. And your same code previously used, no, sir. Same we will use.
Okay. Docker stop. right?
Yes, sir.
So same command, you are asking same command to apply. Which
No, sir.
command?
You
You are asking this command or what?
Yes, sir. It can be applied, but I don't know what which are the parameters. Like, sir, run after run hyphen d hyphen name is the new container name. No, sir. That
Correct,
is a
correct,
MongoDB Express container. It will be created, sir. And 8081 is the Express container port number. And
correct.
link of after hyphen link Mongo hyphen container is there, sir. What is that? I don't know. And after colon Mongo is there, and what is that also I don't know. And at last Mongo Express is the image name, sir. But between that
Correct.
link I don't know what is it, like what I have to give, we have to give them.
Mongo container. Okay. 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 1 second. Maybe this is actually first one Mongo container. This one is second one. So both are should be images. These two images
Yes, sir.
actually.
Yes, sir.
This link Mongo hyphen container. Okay. 1 second. Hmm.
Yes, a Mongo container is the container we used upon the images, sir. Mongo image, the first container, sir.
Hmm. So even this 1 second actually whatever which I have used earlier, that is also proper actually. See, it is
Yes, sir.
selected
It's
right here.
yes, sir.
But why it's not working? Let's try this. Okay, see this docker run hyphen d name MongoDB container 1. Okay, this is new container. Port is something 80 something. Link Mongo container.
Yes, sir. But that Mongo container we should replace with the first container, sir. First container name we have given, no, sir. Like MongoDB underscore container. We have to replace
Okay,
it.
okay, let's give that. Yeah, MongoDB underscore container. This one only, right?
Yes, sir.
So let me check here. It is command is there. Um, hey, see here. I think. Sorry, this is this not this one. Yeah, this one, right? MongoDB container.
Yes,
MongoDB
sir.
underscore container.
Yes, sir.
Right. So that's fine. Let us try this then. Copy. Okay. Okay. Does not belong to default network. Maybe network. Okay. Network issue something. So Docker and hyphen
I
d
think
hyphen hyphen.
here we have to give hyphen network or something, sir.
Correct. Maybe that is maybe related to network. Let's try. What is the network name?
Mongo network, sir. MongoDB network.
MongoDB underscore network. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
This one only, right?
But
Where it is there?
yes, sir. That one only. That one only, sir.
Yeah.
No, sir.
Can we
Separately
try?
we have to give, I think, sir. Yeah, we can try, sir. But yeah, let's try, sir.
Let's try after that again. We'll give separately.
Yes, sir.
What is this Mongo Express? The error response conflict. The container name already okay. Okay, I need to delete this container got created.
Yes, sir.
Docker ps hyphen a. Every time it is creating a container, but it is not connecting. Okay, okay, fine. Docker stop. What is this? It could not get the container MongoDB network. Such container. No. Let's once again we'll clear all these things. Control C. Docker ps hyphen a. Docker stop. Okay, MongoDB container. Copy, paste, and this one only running right currently. Okay, no other containers. Okay, that's fine. Right. Okay, nothing is there. Let me check the network as well. Docker, Docker network ls. Right. So this is the MongoDB underscore network. That's fine. So let me try. Let me cross check first one. Mm, this one, right? So this is Docker run detached mode. So this is port number. This is fine. Okay. This is MongoDB network is connected, and this is container name, right? So let's find. That's fine. Ensure correct character. Mhm. This is fine, right? Yeah. Okay. Let us do again. Paste. Enter. Docker PS. It is running. And when it comes to this, Where is the container name here?
Yes, sir. The container linking is
Starting of
not
is there, right?
present here,
Hyphen
sir.
hyphen name.
Yes, sir.
Hmm.
Yeah, container
Yeah,
linking is
starting
not
name
present
only
here.
container we have given, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Like we can give hyphen link MongoDB container.
Yeah, yeah. 1 second, man. 1 second, 1 second. There is some conflict. Sorry, sorry. Yeah, let me try to copy. Yeah, and yeah, understood. Paste. See, Mongo Express. This is container name, right? And this is port.
Yes, sir. For and that is
What is this?
MongoDB.
Exactly. This actually we have to give underscore container.
Yes, sir.
Okay, we have run like that only earlier.
Yes, sir. Yes,
This
sir.
is not. It's admin and secret password. Okay, now it's fine. So see this docker run
Yes, sir.
-d. This is container creates Mongo Express. This is new port number for Express. This is yeah, it is container. Yeah, yeah, this is fine. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
this is for link, I think so. And
Yes, sir.
Mongo admin, and this is secret password, my password, and Mongo network, which will create network, and this is image. Let me
Image.
try this. Yeah, copy. Let's try Control L. What is this? Control C. Okay, paste. Yeah, Docker PS. Both are running. Let me try.
Yes, sir.
Go here. Come on, come on. Hey, what happened again? So I'll
It's
try
keeping catch.
this. Mhm. So 8081. Oh, 1 second. Docker PS. Both are running fine actually. Mm, I'll go here. Something it is denying, man. I'm not sure why, where it's happening. What is going on here? Somewhere we are lagging. Where is that? Okay, this fine. I'll try again. Mm, This is the one. Okay, see the difference? Extra we have given this. Can you try H1? Yeah, it's working, man.
Yes, sir. Now it's working. Yeah.
It's taking time actually. Immediately it is not up. Okay, it is not up. The application is not up immediately. Okay, so it is taking time. Sham,
Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes,
Sham,
sir. Yes, sir.
are you there?
Yes, sir.
Very patient man you have. Thanks being with me.
Sir, can you share
Anyways,
both the code, sir?
yeah.
Correct,
What,
correct one.
Yashwant?
Can you share both the code, correct
Yeah,
one,
I
sir?
will share. I will share
Like,
all. I will share. No problem. So I
yes, sir.
need actually for suppose you forgot secret code and all, you have run everything, but you lost everything. You want to see your secret code and password. So you have to check Docker ps-a. Okay, bah, 1 second. This is enough, right? Docker, right? Docker logs. You need to check the logs. Okay, and
Yes, sir.
what is our user interface? Express only, right?
Mongo Express. Yes, sir.
Yeah, this is our user interface. You need to copy this and paste here. Okay, enter. See this, man? You can see here your password, admin password is pass.
Pass.
Okay, enter first. Admin is pass. Where is password? Okay, the server allows connection so and so the basic credentials. Anyways, this is pass. Okay, but what we have given earlier,
Sir, I think admin is the username and pass is the password, sir. Admin colon pass
but
it's
I have
showing now.
given password is a secret password, right? Anyways, let's
Yeah,
try
okay,
with this.
okay.
Admin
Yes, sir.
username is admin and password is, let's try with pass. Enter. See this? We are into the application
Yes, sir.
inside.
Inside application. Yes,
Okay,
sir.
we are currently inside of the application. Okay, so which means how we are connecting. See how much difficult we are facing this human. In front
Yes,
of
sir.
you, I am struggling this much, right? So for suppose if I have a 10 containers, 20 containers, how should I have to struggle? Huh? Is it correct or wrong?
Yes, sir.
So this is the way. For suppose for two containers, I'm struggling like this. If I want to, connect each other. So backend and front end. For suppose if I have a plenty of applications, so again it will be a problem. So let's try to create a database. Okay. Okay. Create database.
The name,
I think.
database name, sir.
Where is database? Yeah, yeah. So Lokesh, I'll use my name.
Yes, sir.
1 second. This one, right?
Yes, sir.
View. So I'll try to create tables. Collection name. My collection. Sorry, Lokesh collection. 1 second. Lokesh collection. Create collection. Okay. So something which is created, right?
Yes, sir.
Shall we try? I will try to logs Docker logs. See this, man. So let me try to find where what I have tried to right. 1 second.
So we have to check in backend, sir.
Oh,
Like
backend,
backend
correct.
ID.
Yeah,
Yeah, yes, sir.
yeah, yeah, correct. Docker logs. So where is the container ID? This one, right?
Yes, sir.
145.
Yes, sir.
Copy and paste. Right.
Yes, sir.
See, where you can find my name, man. See this much. So I have to find my name and collections. 1 second. Give me 1 second. One by one, I'll go.
I think you have to add some keys value. I think, sir. There.
Yeah, maybe. I'm checking. 1 second. Admin, that's fine. Previous log set is showing. Just give me 1 second. Um, where is my interface? This is my interface, right? So I need to add the values. Key, what is the key? Can you please help me on this? So just to only created, but database not yet started. Okay, let me create a. Okay, key is location. Something I will create my. I'll use my name only. Location database. Something I have string, old string, right? Okay, that's fine. Something I have written like this. New document. Okay, not required anything. So whatever you create in tables and all, that should be appear, right? Key value. This is for finding view collection,
So we have
location
to
collection.
create a
But
new.
at least this database should be appear, right?
We have
At
to
least.
create new one. I think, sir.
Okay, let me go back then. See, collection one, create collection. Okay.
Like we have to create new document or something, sir.
Yeah, something document which is coming in declaration format. So something like this. Okay. Something. That's it. Let me check again. Okay. See this, guys.
Yes, sir. Now what's reflect?
Yeah, which means database is taking. So it is taking
Collection
requirement
one is
whatever.
created.
Uh-huh.
Location collection one also is there, sir.
One is created. Yeah. First one is not yet created. Let me try again. So I'll go back. My database collection is taking my database. It is storing my database collection 2. Okay. So this is 2. Let me try the logs. Okay. Collection
Yes,
1
sir.
you see.
Two
Yeah.
is there, sir. From below.
Collection 2 is
Yes,
there,
sir.
right?
Yes, sir.
So which means it is working properly. So this is how the applications are running in container by using CLI. Okay. See, maybe we have struggled, but still we got output because did some little mistakes, but we have corrected ourselves. Anyways, so this is the way CLI works. So let me try to correct this command. So first one is this one, right?
Yes, sir.
Let me try to delete this, and I will take from here, copy, and I will paste here. So I'll also paste. I will also give it to you, no problem. So can I keep it in chat? But if you want to do setup, you have to you have to find from all this document from GitHub. Sorry, Docker Hub only. Okay,
Yes, sir.
don't worry. Okay, so this is
Yeah.
what. So this is command line interface. I mean CLI, by using CLI, I have created two applications. Okay, I have created and linked two applications and running this application background, something like this, by using Docker Compose CLI. So tomorrow we will see how to write the YAML files. See this? So see this. However, we have run two, backend and frontend, individually, right? Both are together, but it has together and we have linked it later. Okay. First of all, we initially whatever MongoDB related backend we have created first, and after that we have created front end. Okay, front end and backend we have created individually and we have linked. So then after we got access and we have seen how to create the tables, and backend we have seen the links, logs also. So this much time it will take. For at least for 2 containers it has taken this much. If you have a multiple containers, how it is gonna work? See,
Sir, can
for
you show me
that
that link
Docker
command, sir?
compose will file. Uh-huh.
Linking command, sir. Can you show me that linking command?
Okay. This one. You see this one.
Yeah.
Port mapping.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'll keep in chat. Okay. Okay. I'll keep here or WhatsApp. Where you want?
Sir, both first command and second command, both keep in chat or
Both
in
I'll give.
WhatsApp. Yes,
Both
sir.
I'll give. No problem. Okay. Guys, it's very important, guys. I'm telling too much important. I'm telling. These all will useful in Kubernetes, man.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So very most important. Please try to do more practice so you can you'll be more expert. For sure, you'll be expert soon. Okay. This is fine, and this is for my uh, you know for my purpose. Okay. So I'll use it later. Right. Right. So is it useful or not? How it's look like? Right. So that's all. That's it, guys. That's it. That's it about CLI. Okay. Docker CLI. So
Yes, sir.
are you guys with me?
Yeah, yes, sir.
Yeah. So this is all about
Hello.
Docker
Yeah.
CLI. So tomorrow we'll see about
Yeah, yes, sir.
we'll learn about Docker compose file in YAML format. So let's see. So what it will be, how we have to use this, what is the purpose of it. So how to run this, if I execute this, can I get the result or not? So what is the use cases, what is the difference between CLI and this, and normal single line commands. Okay. So that's
Yes,
it,
sir.
guys. That's it for today. Tomorrow we'll see about Docker compose file in YAML. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you. Thanks for
Yes,
connection.
sir.
Okay. We'll see you tomorrow class. Until then, take care. Bye bye.
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Thank
Thank
you.
you, sir.